Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will explain, if you can't log in your router with 192.168.1.1 IP address, then what to do for fixing this. Watch the complete video, because one of the steps will help you to log in the router page. First of all, you need to restart your router device. If it doesn't work, then you need to unplug all the cable from your router with modem or internet line. Here you need to wait for 1 minute. Then plug it back. Now power on your Wi-Fi router and try to access 192.168.1.1 IP address in the web address bar of your computer or mobile. If it's still not working, then try the next step. If you can't able to access 192.168.1.1 IP address, then you need to reset the router to its factory default settings. To reset, find the small reset hole or reset button on the back of your router. Press and hold the button for 10 to 15 seconds with a paperclip, pin, or any similar object if your router's reset button is on small hole. Now, release the reset button and wait for the router to restart. After reset, you need to connect with your router using the default SSID and password. After connected to the router's network, you can try to access 192.168.1.1 IP address. I hope it will work. If still it's not working, then try the next step. If you can't able to access the router admin page using 192.168.1.1 IP address, then you can change the web browser. If you are using Microsoft Edge, Safari, Firefox, Chrome or any other, then you need to change the web browser once. For example, if you are using Microsoft Edge browser, then change with Chrome. Sometime it can works, otherwise try the next step. If you are using a VPN on your mobile or computer, then you need to turn it off. Because of the security purpose, you can't able to access the router login page using 192.168.1.1 IP address when you are using the VPN software. Router login admin page works with router current location and VPN software move your computer or mobile to another location. That's why we are requested you to turn off the VPN software while login into the router page. When you type the 192.168.1.1 IP address in the web address field, then you can't able to access the login page due to browser cache and cookies. To fix this issue, you need to clear your browser's history, cookies, and cache for all time. You can also try to access the IP address in the private or incognito mode. If you tried all the previous steps, then you must try this. If you are connected with router using the wireless mode, then you can try once connected with the wired connection. Here, you need to connect one end of Ethernet cable to router and another end into the computer or laptop. This is the last step to get connected. If you are not able to connect, then you can reach us. Our technical experts diagnosing a network scan, which includes identifying unauthorized traffic, connection mapping, analyzing or detect potential security threats and more. Thanks for watching the complete video. If this video will helps to troubleshoot your issue, then you can hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more updates.